and tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like,
hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akosua Benhene, and in today's video I am going to be transforming myself into this beautiful cat crease makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a pretty short one. It was supposed to be a get ready with me video, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I decided to do a voiceover. So I hope you guys like the look in general. Also, the hair will be in the description box below. I'll leave a link to the hair and the hair video as well in the description box below, so definitely check that out and please enjoy the video. I will see you guys at the end of the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't need to say as much. I've done my makeup several times. I've done my base, done my eyeshadow, so you guys already know the drill. But it's a beautiful look and I just wanted to share the process with you. So I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Mwah!
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
Okay, so this is literally the finished look. I already put on my highlighter, did my whole face, so the eye is done, the lips are done. Oh, this is so pretty. I am totally in love with how the look came out. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my hair and everything. Like I said, if you want to see how my hair is done or how I laid my wig, then definitely watch the video linked in the description box below, or the video that pops up here or here. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up and I'll come back and I'll show you guys how we look. I'll show you guys a final look. All right,
I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I